Right, I've got to be careful putting this into my calc. So I need a fraction, 10.4 over 5.1, subtract 2.7. Add another fraction, 6.8, subtract 3.2 over 9.5. Says as a decimal, write down all the numbers on my calculator display. Not sure they realised quite how many numbers there were on my calculator display. Three significant figures, 1, 2, 3. Next numbers are 2, so it's not going to change. I just write down those first 3 digits, 4.71. Triangle ABC, well, the area of a triangle is half base times height. So the base is 2 and the height is 3. It doesn't matter that it's sloping, it's just the height. So a half times 2 times 3 is 3 centimetres squared because it's area. ACD is equal to CAB. I've got parallel lines here, so these angles are the same because they're alternate angles. Straight line that passes through D and C. Well, if I continue that straight line, goes back and meets the y-axis at 4, so we call it y equals 4. Height of 2,000 metres on the mountain. Right, so at 800 metres the temperature is 6 degrees. Goes down by 2 degrees for every 300 metres in height. So if we go up by 300 metres, the temperature goes down by 2. Let's keep repeating that. So she ends up at negative 2 degrees. Average speed of 5 kilometres an hour for the distance and 1 minute for every 10 metres of height. So we want time is distance over speed. So she does 12 kilometres at 5 kilometres per hour, which is 2.4 hours. Now 1 minute for every 10 metres of height, and she's done 800 metres of height. So what's this been multiplied by? Bottom divided by top is 80. So that's 80 minutes. So we've got 2.4 hours and 80 minutes. Let's change 2.4 into minutes and multiply by 60. Then we can add on the other 80 minutes. Is 224 mins. So that's how many hours? So if take off 60, that's 1 hour. Take off 60 again, that's 2 hours. Take off 60 again, that's 3 hours. And I've got 44 minutes left. at least one card marked with a C. So that's one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of the 16. Take one card at random from each set and replace and do it 80 times. Work out an estimate for the number of times it will take at least one card marked as C. So the probability of getting a card with a C is 7 out of 16, and he's doing it 80 times. So that's 35 times he can expect to get at least one C. Isosceles triangles, they're going to add up to 180. So 180 subtract 80 is 100, and I've got to share that between those two angles. So this must be 50. This is a rectangle, so this corner is 90 degrees. So here I've got 50 and 90, which is 140. And so x makes up a full turn of 360. 360 subtract that answer is 220 degrees.